Hey guys, have you ever come across a design or a document and thought, what is the font used in this design? Well, it happened to me. I got freelance project. It seemed like a simple project. I had to find the exact same font used in the client's document. Well, it was not that simple. I started searching everywhere. I had no clue that how I can find the same font. So I started ChatGPT. I didn't find any clear answer. I have searched with Gemini. I didn't find any answer quite near to the one I had. I have searched YouTube tutorials. Everyone had their own methods. Someone suggested Photoshop match font. Someone suggested online tools like WhatFont, Adobe Font Finder, or the font Squirrel. Even tools like Calligraphr to recreate fonts manually. That's not even that helpful. After wasting a lot of time, hours passed, nothing worked. The situation was really frustrated. Then out of curiosity, I tried DeepSeek. I thought, yeah, let's give it a try as well. So I gave it a clean prompt. I waited for a few seconds and yeah, there it is. I found the exact same font that was used in my document. So if you ever have struggled to identify the fonts or to find the fonts that you want to use, save yourself the headache, save your time and try DeepSeek. It might just surprise you. And also, if you have even faster or efficient way, you can share it in the comment section. I would love to test it out. Thank you.